So let's learn how to use the Excel data analysis toolpack to find the statistics for measure of center and measure of variability at the same time. So what I mean, mean, median, mode, range, variance, everything in one phase. So first we look into the data. If you have a newer version of Excel, basically it's loaded. So in case you don't see the data analysis, we are going to have to actually add in. So there is a link right below the description how to add data analysis toolpack. So then you follow and come back down here. Now we're going to hit data analysis, and remember we are looking for descriptive statistics. So we need mean, median, mode, range, variance, standard deviation, everything. So in this case we look for descriptive. So here you go, we found one. So that is okay. We hit okay, and once we hit okay, so I'm going to actually look into this guy here. So well, since like it's not in, not everything is included, so make sure we do include everything, including the level. So now this can be decimal, this can be negative numbers, zero, anything in the data set. Now if you talk about GPS specifically, then of course we shouldn't have any negative number. We shouldn't have any number greater than 4. It's going to be invalid actually. So if it is not GPA, we can have any sorts of data. So then of course this is what? This is a column, so we must choose column here. Remember, if we have a row, we must choose row. One more thing we have to remember, we cannot put multiple column or multiple row. It's not going to give us accurate answer. Either we put all the number in only one row or all the number in only one column. Then once we hit column, because this is the column we are looking for, label in the first row. Then of course output range. So what is the output range? Where I want to see my output. So I'm just going to click here, and of course I can create a new worksheet, actually new one, but I don't want. I want to see at the same time here. So output range is here, and of course you can put it here, there, doesn't matter where you look for. And this is now this one is very, very important. If we don't choose this one, look what happened. So I press OK, and they said please choose at least one statistical option. So well, I must choose the summary. So we are looking for summary of this data. Okay, what is happening? What is the nature? What is the mean, median, and all those? The summary I'm looking for, not the calculation inside what is happening, but what is the output is coming up. That's what I'm looking for. So we are done actually. Now what are we going to do? We're going to just hit click or OK in this case. Okay. Now seems like these are so small. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this font a little bit bigger. And I'm going to make this, of course, I want to see my standard deviation also nicely. Very nice, standard deviation. And also I would like to see this number. Seems like this number is so, so many decimal rational. So I can use the dial down, this one or that one, doesn't matter. So this one is dial down, this is dial up, and this is going to be rounding down again. This is 100 plus is best, actually 100 plus is best. So again, in this video, I'm going to go over a couple of things here. This is the mean, and this is the median, this is the mode. So these are measure of center. Mean, add all the number, divide by number of number. And of course, median organized from smallest to largest. Seems like I have only 13, so there should be one in the middle. So this is how we find the median, and mode is the highest number comes up here, since like it's 21. So this is measure of center. Now, from here to this, actually, this is all our measure of variability. So standard deviation, this is the standard deviation, this is the sample variance. We square it, we get the sample variance, and this is the range, basically highest minus the lowest, and maximum and minimum actually give us that. So everything is in just right here actually. Okay, so the Excel is so beautiful. All the calculation, minimize it, and it just give you output. It's like very friendly.